Good morning. Today is the first day of February, and we are feeling like February this morning. Temperatures are below zero, and wind chills are even lower than that. So a tough start to our day, despite the fact that it's pretty quiet out there. We do have some wind, and that may be causing a little blowing snow up north. So we'll cover all of that here in your forecast this morning. Here in Fargo, as you see on our Storm Team Skycam network, things are looking pretty quiet. Let's take a look at our wind chills. First of all, our wind chill advisory, that's in effect until noon, and it covers the entire valley because our wind chills are as low as they are. They're into the 20s, even 30s below, at 33 below in Thief River Falls, 34 below in Langdon. And we know that these wind chills are numbers to take seriously. Definitely want to bundle up and cover up your skin before you head outside, especially if you're going to be out there for any length of time, or if you're going to be traveling to make sure you have all of the gear that you need just in case. Ahead for the later part of the day today, we'll see these numbers come up just a little bit, but we're really going to stay in that negative range for a lot of us here in the valley for your actual temperature. We're at 6 below in Grand Forks, 5 below in Fargo. It's 11 below your air temperature in Langdon, and that's our coldest number this morning with that wind blowing in out of the northwest. I mentioned they're a little stronger in some areas. We do have a speed to 24 miles per hour in Thief River Falls, and even down in Oaks, a gust to 23. And of course, we've had a little light snow recently and snow on the ground, so some of this is getting blown here this morning. So Thief River Falls back over to Hallock, we're down to 3 miles for visibility there, and 4 in Foston here this morning. So some clear skies, but cold here, and a few clouds up around the Lake of the Woods and Red Lake areas here to start off. We can expect to have more of the same as we progress through the day today. Should be a nice quiet one with the tri-state view looking pretty good too. So if you're getting ready to head down to the Twin Cities to maybe enjoy some of those Super Bowl festivities, we've got some pretty good weather heading down in that direction here today. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. We've got numbers that are, again, below zero this morning to start. And as we progress through the morning hours, get toward noon, some of us start approaching or climbing above the 0-degree mark, but most of us still staying in the negative range here. The wind will be quieting as we progress through the day too. Notice no 20 showing up on our wind gusts here on our map, and likely that will be a lighter wind even into tonight. A high temperature in Fargo of just 1 degree, and down toward Ellendale, that might be our warm spot, 8 above your high. But notice up north, we're stuck below zero just by a couple of degrees, but still cold here across the valley, but especially cold up north. And then as that sun sets, those temperatures drop into the double digits below zero in some areas overnight. Here's a view of one of our many awesome photos we received from you of the super blue blood moon. And this was in South Fargo where Kyle took this really cool photo of that moon in a full eclipse at that point. And tomorrow, guess what tomorrow is? Groundhog Day. It's going to be a cloudy one, so unlikely that Phil would see his shadow right here in the valley. But as we know, we still have plenty of winter left here in the upper Midwest. 16 degrees, a brief warm up tomorrow for your high. Thanks to a system moving in, it'll bring us a chance for a little bit of snow. Once that clears out, we cool right back down this weekend to some sub-zero temperatures in the morning and a tough one Sunday morning, a low of 19 below in Fargo and probably some 20s below up north as well. And getting into the afternoon or into the week, next week, expect to have temperatures that are, again, well below average. It's a nice cold start to February.
Thank you, Lisa. Our team coverage of Super Bowl 52 continues. Coming up, Valley News Live's Alex Egan shares the Super Bowl security plan.
And a little bit later, a new study shows that there's been a big-time dip in office romances. We'll let you know one reason, possibly why.